I'm Sandra Amer from All About Systems. I help business owners and professionals learn how to use Google Workspace apps so they can work more efficiently. Each one-on-one training session is custom designed to meet your specific needs. We can go in depth on one specific app, or I can cover specific topics and features for multiple apps. The choice is up to you. Not sure what you need? Send me a message and we can create a plan that works for you.